My name is Mary O'Connor and I'm the Education Coordinator at the Ontario Library Association. So we actually had them in to come and present 4 webinars with us for our webinar series on productivity hacks and personal branding, and then they also came back to present in person at our annual conference. Bailey was so knowledgeable and she was also a delight to work with. They're definitely the first company that we go to when we are trying to engage learners in this area of expertise. Of the 200 webinars that we offer, the SkillsCamp webinars were some of the highest attended, and we did really receive some positive feedback. If you're considering working with SkillsCamp, my advice is to do it. They are so knowledgeable, so professional, and also very fun to work with.
I'm Richard Lee, and I'm a former Deloitte consulting partner. I have the privilege of being an advisor to Bailey Parnell, the founder of SkillsCamp. Soft skills, and I mean things like collaboration, communication, creative problem solving, constructive feedback. I think those things are the lubricant that make complex organizations work. The value of SkillsCamp is that you are in Bailey and her team. You have people who are the same as your workforce. They can relate to your workforce can relate to them. They know what they're talking about, they understand the challenges, and they can present solutions in a way that really works for your workforce. And that's not just if you have a millennial workforce. They can actually relate to all of the generations in the workforce, and that way you get effective solutions.
My name is Keith Diaz. Right now I'm at CIBC with the digital strategy team, but I did start an organization at Laurier University called the Golden Speakers Club to help students build their public speaking skills. We wanted to host a public speaking boot camp, but we felt like our own team didn't have the right experience, so we wanted to bring a professional in. Therefore, we contacted SkillsCamp, and Bailey kindly came in and took us through a night of why is it important to build your public speaking skills, the do's and the don'ts. And by the end of it, there was an amazing practical element where the students could come up and practice what they've been taught. And as the night went on, you just knew that the students really cracked their shells and they started feeling more comfortable. And by the end of that night, I knew that people were always going to remember it. Bailey was able to really get down to the students' level and show them that public speaking can be fun.
I want to go to med school. I want to be a doctor. And I think soft skills like emotional maturity and being able to communicate effectively and really get home to somebody is crucial just for bedside manner and in general, and connecting with people and building a sense of trust.
If you're interested in building soft skills, we want to work with you. Reach out today and we'll make it happen.